Hey there, future investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make them super easy for you. Today, we're diving into how to create a Robinhood login. Robinhood is a popular app that lets you trade stocks, options, and crypto without paying commissions, and getting started is straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to download the Robinhood app. Head to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Robinhood. Once you find it, tap Download or Install. It's free, so no worries there. After it's installed, open the app, and you'll see a welcoming screen. Next, look for the Sign Up button, usually right on the home page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Go ahead and pick one, then create a strong password. Remember, make it something secure with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe from hackers. Now, Robinhood will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter that code in the app to verify your identity. This is a quick step to ensure everything's legit. After that, you'll need to provide some basic info like your name, date of birth, and social security number for tax purposes. Don't skip this. It's required for regulatory reasons. Once your account is verified, you might be asked to link a bank account or add funding, but for now, you're logged in. Take a moment to set up two-factor authentication in the settings for extra security. It's a game changer for protecting your investments. And there you have it. That's how you create a Robinhood login. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's support team is helpful, or check their FAQ online. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your research before diving in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. What's your first stock pick? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.